This is the sixth attempt of Toshi trying to break above this resistance around 0.00022178. Now, it's now obvious that this is a strong resistance. We are currently on the 4-hour time frame for Toshi coin. Now, like I said in the last Toshi previous videos, the moment Toshi is breaking above this resistance with a clear confirmation of a retest above that resistance level, at least with 4 bullish 4-hour candle above that level, that is when we can start expecting further price move to the upside, retrace a little bit, and then continue our moonshot to the upside. So the most important level to overcome now for Toshi is this price level around 0.000030 to be precise, 2178 respectively for Toshi coin. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. You're welcome. The entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is currently seated at 13%. Today is 10th of March 2026, and if you're paying attention to BTC price as well, history is clearly repeating itself before our very eye. Now, this is the weekly time frame on the BTC chart. The last bear market made a similar pattern, a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder, and then a breakdown before the market bottoms. And I think history is repeating itself before our very eye. A shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. We've already broken down below the neckline. So I think my worst case scenario, like I've said countless times, would be around between 55k and 45k for BTC. That is my worst case scenario for BTC, and that 45k is between this liquidity zone. You understand? Between this liquidity zone. So my worst case scenario will just be we tapping into this next liquidity price point right here, which is going to be my worst of the worstest. If there's any word, like any English word like worstest, it's going to be my worstest case scenario for BTC. So very, very soon we should begin to see a market bottom. Like I said, I'm looking at the window between September and October 2026 for the market to fully bottom before we enter into an aggressive phase, an up-only phase from there all the way to 2028. That is just the truth. But before then, before that aggressive correction to between the 45k and 55k level, I'm expecting we to get at least a relief rally, which from the look of things, this is BTC's second attempt on the weekly time frame of trying to flip the 70k territory into a support. The first attempt, we pumped all the way to 74k and then retraced from there. We are now currently retesting the 70k resistance territory once again. So we need to see BTC go above that 70k territory, properly retest that 70k territory with at least one bullish weekly candle close above there. Then we can start expecting 80 something k for BTC easily. But if we are not able to retest, to break, to invalidate this resistance zone, which is an obvious resistance zone, then you all should expect further price move to the downside for BTC. That is just the truth. Like, seriously. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And so the market is looking bullish, slightly bullish though. Toshi is up 3%, Pepe 1.1%, XRB 2.2%, Jasmine 0.1%, ZBCN 3%, XLM 6.4%, XCN 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Last 7 days, XCN is up 3%, XLM 6%, Toshi 3.2, ZBCN 0.2. That ZBCN hasn't gotten enough volume yet. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And Toshi. Okay, the market cap of Toshi is currently seated at 88.9 million. Let's check the market cap of XCN real quick. 178 million. How about ZBCN 200 million? Okay. Jasmine coin should be around 200 and something. Okay, slightly below 300 million for Jasmine coin. XRP currently seated at 85 billion high cap. XLM mid cap currently seated at 5.3 billion. So if you ask me, aside from XRP and XLM, the rest of the coins here are currently sitting at an undervalued market cap that can easily pop 10x, 20x, 50x easily. Whatever I say is truly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. Peace out.